Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. Welcome back to this episode. So, in our previous tutorials, we learned about Raft Foundation and also we've covered a whole lot about how to create shaft in Raft and also various CMU elements. So, on this episode of our course, we are going to learn about how to create what a column base and also how to add various tags of the column base and also create a reference schedule. So we are going to learn how to tag our column base, create a column base tag by using a type mark and also a reference mark. Aside that, we are going to give a schedule in our lesson today. So guys, let's move right away into the course. So I'm going to come to new. From here, I'll come to structure metric template and I'll do okay from here. So with this, we are going to create the level as we already do. So I'll come here and now I'll create the top of foundation level. The top of foundation. So after creating this top of foundation, I'm going to do is roughly like 2 meters. So this is going to be our level in which we are going to work with. So I'll come to the view tab area and I'll come to plan view structure plan and select top of foundation. Okay, so there we have it. So we are going to place certain column base in here. First of all, let's create our grid lines as a reference point for us. So I'll create various grid lines like this. I'll click on this and come to create similar, and I'll create a similar grid line here. After that, I'll select one and do copy, which is CO. So I'll maintain this grid line 1 to 5 and do rotate from here, which is RO. Enter. Then I'll do, select and do RO, or let me do copy from, rotate from here, and I'll do 90 degrees. I'm going to change my horizontal grid lines to A, this one to B, C. Also we have D and E. Okay, so these are the various grid lines in which we are going to work with. So I'll come to my structure tab. Under the structure tab, I'll come to isolated footing, and I'm going to do at grade. Select all my grade here, do finish as well. So I'm going to put in my walls, and I have to determine the height in which I want. So I'm going to do here level 1, and I'm going to do minus 1 minus 301. I'll pick my walls again, and I'll do CO, which is copy, as a shortcut. Okay, after creating this various line, I can come to 3D and change my graphic display to constraint colors. After doing this, I'll go back to my top of foundation and also select the structural wall. Okay, so I have to select this structural wall and also do to duplicate, and I will name it strip footing 450 mm 150 mm. So I'll do finish from here. So I'm going to select this one and also select similar from here, then change it from the edit type area. So after doing this, I can still go back to the 3D and see what I've done so far. So the next thing that we are going to do is to place our column base tags on it and also our strip footing tags. So I have to come to tag here. So we are not going to use this type of tag. So under this tag, I will come to edit type and I'll come to duplicate. So we are going to name it Udemy base or column base type 1. Okay, so I'll come here and come to edit family. Another edit family, I'll come to edit type. Sorry, I'll come to edit library, edit label. So from edit label, I'll look for type mark and drag my type mark into my label parameters. And I'm going to send the type name back to the what category parameters. So we have two different. We have the category parameters and what the label parameters. So I'll do finish from here and also do load into project and close. No. Then I'll do override the existing version and its parameters values. So I have a question mark here. So what I'm going to do is to select one column base and also under the type mark, I'll do CB, supposed to be cap, so CB01, and I'll select this one and change to free, and after that, uncheck the leader. Also, I'm going to do save for the strip footing. So the strip footing tool, we are going to use the Udemy column base type 1, and better still, I can rename or duplicate and do strip footing. So I'll come to edit type. Under the type mark, I will do strip footing. Shortcut will be strip footing 01. So in case you have certain certain size of text in which you use, you can come to the edit type area and also you come to the label area, edit type, and you can change your text size from here. Some people use 2.5 mm, which is the standard size, and also you can change your font style or your text font from this area as well. So I have to close this one and go back to. So right now we can select these two and copy to our various column bases and strip footing. So right now I can delete this one, select all this. Okay, so after creating this one, this is going to be our foundation. I can also do same for um, my horizontal. So I'll come to tag my horizontal strip. And check the leader. So after creating this, let's hide our elevational views. So we can now put our foundation on the sheet. So I'll come to new sheet. Without using a trademark of Autodesk, I have to delete this one. So now I can select on this. So I'm going to show you two types of placing a drawing on the sheet. So one, you can drag and put it on the sheet. And also the second one, I'm going to do delete and I'll come to view. Under the view, I'll look for sheet. No, I think it's view. And I'll come to top of foundation, add to view sheet. And I can place it on sheet right now. So the next thing that we are going to do is to create the reference schedule in order for them to know the size of column base and the strip footing that we have. So we'll come back to our schedules and quantity, right click here and also come to schedules and quantity, and we brush through to look for foundation or structural foundation from here. We do OK from here. So under the structure foundation we have what? We have the filter available fields and we have the schedule fields. So let's move right away. So the things that we need a type, and also we need a type mark. We also have to get, we don't need the image for now. We also have to get a structure material, the material typing which we are going to use. So I'll look for structural material. It will be at X, structure material. Okay. So let the type mark start first and the type should also count. That will be the size. After that, I'll do OK. Okay, from here. So I'll still have to come to the grouping and sorting, and I'll do this one. Okay. Then I'll select type mark. Better still, I can also do grand total. So it tells me what the number of them is. And I'll come back to my top of foundation, the sheet I just created. Sheet. Then I'll come to rename and also rename this one as well, top of foundation. Sure. Top of after that, I'll browse through where my schedule is. Grab and place my schedule here. Okay, so this is how to create a column based init tags. You can also add our columns here by coming to column and also look for a concrete column. Select our grid. So now let's go to our 3D and see where our columns are. So I'm going to select, right click here and select similar from here. Then I'm going to do level 2 and do 0 from the base constraints. You can also do BS, which is what section box, and also in the top of foundation I can also drag my 3D here, use the scale 1 in 25. So let's select our levels and hide our levels. So guys, thank you for watching, and this is how to create column bases and also straight footing for the walls, and also how to tag them and also give it a reference schedule, and also you can guide it with a 3D view. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Watch this video, practice this video. This template is going to be uploaded in the resource section. So guys, get it up and work it as a practical. Thank you. Peace. Shalom. Bye.